Hey, yo, my peeps, I'm sorry. The live cut off. It's literally and almost impossible to do a live over here in New York City. The signal goes in and out. You lose internet in a second. It's blurry as hell. And we don't do those, my peeps, you heard? But y'all already know I gave you the heads up. Stay tuned in for the video, 4th of July. I'm gonna show you what Macy's about to do, you know? See the fireworks, give my peeps a quick tour. Once again, you know, if you missed it last year, you can go back in the videos and see it. And we're gonna keep it moving, my peeps. We're gonna go see what Macy's gonna do. I'm gonna show my peeps. And don't forget Aqua Lounge, Saturday, July 9th, 9 p.m. Eli, the people's guy, live on stage. Go show love and support. Stay tuned in for the 4th of July video. Stay tuned in for the live performance. Stay tuned in for much more. Love and respect is all we got. You heard? Eli.